Fire in the pit barrel hole, let's cook a shrimp. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. I got a super recipe for you guys today. I got this recipe from Mr. Barbecue. How to barbecue right. I forgot his name. Malcolm. Is it Malcolm? Malcolm Reed? Does that sound right? I forgot the dude's name. Anyway, he's a great barbecue guy. You know who I'm talking about, right? This is his recipe for Louisiana style Cajun barbecue shrimp. And what I got here is about 3 pounds of what they call colossal shrimp. These suckers are huge, let me tell you what. And here in my measuring cup, I've got 2 sticks of butter that I melted in the microwave. And what we're going to do now is, first we're going to put some rub on these shrimp. And I got some, because this is a Cajun dish, we're going to put some Tango Spice Cajun rub on the shrimp. It's best Cajun rub going. I like all Cajun rubs. I like the Paul Prud'homme's. I like the Tony Chachere's, but I like Tango Spice Cajun rub just as good as any of the others. We're going to get some of that Cajun rub all over those shrimp, and it looks like I'm going to be needing some more soon. Tango Joe, if you're listening. Anyway, just joking, Tango Joe. You know I pay my way, dude. You know I pay for my stuff. Anyway, yeah, we got that rub on the shrimp. Now we got to make a kind of a sauce with that melted butter. We've got some Lee and Perron's Worcestershire sauce. We need 1/4 cup of Lee and Perron's Worcestershire sauce. We got 2 sticks of melted butter. It's a pretty simple recipe, easy to put together. I'm going to put a little bit more because I like it. So it's supposed to be 1/4 cup of Lee and Perron's. Then I've got a lemon. We're going to juice a lemon. We don't care about the seeds. All we want is that lemon juice in there. Oh man. We got a couple more lemons standing by to garnish this dish with. Oh yeah. Got some French bread that I'm making into garlic bread. You're going to want that. So we got a juice of a whole lemon in there. That's a nice juicy lemon too, boy. Let me tell you what. That's a good one. Okay, let me wipe my hand. Got a little bit of parsley going in there. We're going to save a little bit for garnish. So just a little bit of parsley in there. Now it wouldn't be Cajun if we didn't put some hot sauce, right? So we got some Louisiana hot sauce. The perfect hot sauce, it says. And you put that in there to taste. You know, you put as much as you want. I'm gonna put quite a bit because my old lady won't be seeing this video till after she's already eaten the shrimp. So I ain't worried about it. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Oh boy. Boy, she hates me. I'll tell you what. Then I got I got 10 cloves of garlic that I'm gonna smash with my knife and dice up in there. So I won't make you sit through that whole thing. You get that 10 cloves of garlic smashed up in there. That's enough garlic, isn't it? 10 cloves? Some of them are pretty big. Get them diced up. Doesn't have to be a fine dice, just dice them up in there in that sauce. Let me get one more done. I'll show you. We'll skip ahead. My slapdash way of mincing garlic right there. But I don't care. That's how I do everything, slapdash. Alright, so let me get the rest of the garlic in there. The shrimp are in the pit barrel. Only going to take about 30 minutes. The pit barrel gets up to about 275. And we're just going to let that run. I might come back in about 15 minutes and stir it. But 30 minutes is not all it's going to take to get that all cooked up and ready to serve. This is a great recipe for making Cajun style barbecued shrimp. So stay tuned, we'll get a beer and plate some of that up and taste it. Those shrimp are done. We're going to plate some of that up and get some in my mouth. Oh boy, don't that look good. Get a couple more of them. Want to get some of that. You want that sauce in there, let me tell you what. You're going to want that sauce in there, I'll tell you why. You're going to want to dip some bread in there. I got some, I'm going to put a little bit more parsley on top of there to make it look pretty. I should wipe that plate off. I don't have any more napkins. I got some bread with garlic and butter on it. I'm going to zoom in on that. Don't that look good? We'll take some fresh lemon, squeeze on there, drop that lemon in there for garnish. There you go. There you have it. Let me get a beer and we'll come back and take a taste of this. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, the Frosty Root Boy mug. Here's today's beer. This is one I've had before, but I got it today for this special occasion. Abita Purple Haze. Purple Haze, all in my brain. Hey, stop singing. Okay. Yeah, this is a lager, a raspberry lager. I've had this before, and I was a little disappointed with it the last time I had it because I really couldn't taste the raspberry in it. Let's see if they've changed the recipe up. Abita Brewing Company on the Abita River down near New Orleans. Let me get some of that in my mug, my frosty mug, without spilling it. And it's pretty much what I expected from the last time. It's got a beautiful color. It's got a kind of a purplish color, you see, and a nice quickly dissipating lacy head. And yeah, it's got a kind of a purple tinge to it. Why not? It's Purple Haze, all in my brain. Man, I wish you wouldn't sing. I used to wish you could sing, now I wish you could. Anyway, hey, yeah, all right. Purple Haze, what do you think, Lassa? Are you into some Purple Haze? I am. Yeah, let's sniff the sniff off and see if we can detect any raspberry. Not really. You can smell the hops, but I really can't smell the raspberry. Let's see if it tastes any raspberrier than it did last time. Lassa, let's quaff the froth off it, baby. Oh yeah, I think maybe I got a bad bottle of it last time, but I can definitely taste the raspberry in it this time. Purple Haze, all in my brain. I love it. Great stuff. Let's get a taste of that shrimp over here. I can hardly wait. And when you make this, you know what you got to do. You got to get some French bread to dip in that sauce like that, and that butter sauce. Oh boy. Oh, that's the best part of this dish. Not really. I bet those shrimp are going to be good too. Look at that shrimp. Excellent. Ah, and that's the best. I'll tell you what. That's a wonderful dish. You know, if you do this, make sure you get some bread that you can dip in that sauce like that. Ah, that's outstanding. That's the best. A great, easy recipe, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and see Dad's Incredible Cooking. You might like him. Also, I'll leave a link for Malcolm Reed's original recipe in the description, and you can check him out if you haven't already. I mean, he's got like 1 million subscribers, so he doesn't really need a shout out from me. But yeah, go check out Dad's Incredible Cooking. Subscribe to me, the Root Boy. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And Purple Haze is much better than it used to be. I'll tell you what. It's awesome. Anyway, that's my video, babies. Bye.